What's up, guys? Good morning. Hello, everybody. Thanks for being here. Well, what happened this morning? Holy smokes, what happened this morning? Where's Bear? There's Bear. What happened this morning? Man, got a massive move to the downside on good NFP. Good NFP numbers beat expectations, but the markets tanked on that primarily because economy's too hot, man. We need normal numbers. We need everything to just kind of go normally or slightly decrease to curb inflation. And we did not. Came in too hot, baby. Too hot. Markets don't like it. JP Powell may renege on his commitment to decelerate interest rates. So markets didn't like that. But he didn't say that. So if he didn't say it, I think we may get a fade back up. But I'm not quite sure what happened. If you were over on the Discord, which you should be in the Discord, we drew out, I posted a couple levels to take a look at. One was this support level here, which is not, a kindergartner can draw this stuff out. Two support levels, a support and resistance level. And then the targets on these were the 20 SMA on the 4-hour, and then if it went to the upside, it was going to be on the top of the band there on the 4-hour. I only picked up a couple $100 on it. I was trading micros on it because I'm not feeling too risk on at the moment. I've not had the best trading week, so it's tough. This week has not been too nice to me. I've gotten gains and it's taken them back. Gotten some gains and it's taken it back plus some. So did catch this move up, but I'm just not feeling like A+ game at the moment. But anyways, got a couple $100. I'll take that. So it's come down to the 20 SMA here. If we look at bigger picture of what it's doing, I wouldn't be surprised if it's going to find some support down here and try to make a move up. Are we going to, come back down to, these lows? I don't think so. I think interest rates is really what's driving it. And until Powell comes out and says, look, we're going to continue with interest rates rising or whatever, or get more aggressive. If he says we're going to get more aggressive, then that's the problem. But I think our main man JP is looking to slow it down a little bit. So that's what he said, and I'll take him at his word at it. But so anyway, sorry, I was doing something there. Might be a good opportunity to add to some longs here. You can see that we're at the back end of this trend line right here on the daily. I would expect this thing to try to move up. Yesterday we broke Powell's initial high over here. Oh, sorry, this was not Powell's high. We broke this high over here. Powell's high was here. So we broke Powell's high, rose higher, broke this resistance over here, and just failed and came down. I do think, though, that we're going to probably get a little bit of a Santa rally going into the end of the year, and then we're probably going to pull back again. In the beginning of the year, and probably around March we'll probably start to see some buying hopefully come back through. But anyways, that's bigger picture. What's going on today is I haven't said good morning to anyone. Good morning, Kyle. Thanks for being here. Jesse, good morning. Said Adrian, good morning, man. What's up? Vernon, good morning. Josh, good morning. Hit that like button. That's right. Yeah, Vernon Day Trades is on here. Vernon has been following us, has been with us for a while. Always appreciate his support. If you haven't checked out Vernon's channel, you definitely need to check it out. What's up, Toad? Josh, do you have a channel too? You're not Josh Trades, are you? I don't know. Josh Trades has a channel. He usually comments on some of the videos. He's got some good content too. Not checked him out. He makes some good entertaining. No, it's okay. He's got some good content too, and is 100% transparent about his trader funding journey, which is always appreciated. Parashiv is over on Discord. He made like 60K this morning on that move to the downside. He made something ridiculous on a bunch of PA accounts he's got. Or not PA accounts, evaluation accounts. Sorry. He's having a mini panic attack because Apex shut down. There's Parashiv. They were not PA. Sorry. Yep. I corrected myself. Evals. They were blown? Really? That's so odd to me. How did they get blown? Well, at least they were just evaluations. I know, but they say admin only. What I think is what it says is they put admin only because you made too much money. I think that they've got systems in place to close accounts that have made too much money to protect themselves. So it's not like you can go, the way that I would do it is if I were smarter and better trader is I would get like 10 evaluation accounts when they have these massive sales and then go big on like this on NFP, go 10 contracts, make, $120,000 and then request my payout. And I think what Apex probably does, if they're smart, is they put safeties in place so people can't do that, so that Rhythmic will automatically shut down your account after you make a certain amount of money. Well, they don't pay if you trade news. Well, those mother effers. I need to be. They're always scamming you. That makes me upset, Parashiv. All right. Well, keep us posted on what they reply back to you. And keep us posted. Keep us posted what they say. All right, so let's look at what we got going on right now. Massive move to the downside on good NFP news, which I know nobody expected. No, actually, that's not true. The price Nasdaq is overextended to the upside. It's got to come down. This, might be a good opportunity to get in some longs before the end of the year, but whatever. We've now got that big move to the downside because the economy is too hot. We've got this resistance level right here at 54. We may break that and come back up to 900, where I think this would be its next real key resistance. VWAP, 20 SMA on the 5-minute. You see it up there. This trend line here is coming up to that area as well. So 900 looks like a decent level to try to take something up to. Market's going to open in 6 minutes. That might be a good pop. I'm only trading one contract today. I'm not feeling too risk on, and I don't want to have like a 1K loss day today. So we're just going to go on one contract today. I watched I listened to a really good interview with a trader last night, and sometimes it's good just to listen to traders, kind of put things into perspective for you. Basically he started out with, like all of us do, right? You start out with, $1,500, $2,000. You blow that pretty quickly, and then you find some success, and then you start getting cocky, trading too much size. forgetting your rules. You take, a couple big losses. In his case, it was like 250K loss before coming back down to earth and going back to the basics, going back to your plan. Journaling, which I need to do way more of. I used to do a lot of journaling. I don't journal that much anymore. I kind of feel like I'm journaling when I'm live streaming or when I'm recording my trades, but in fact, I'm really not. I need to go back and review my trades more, review my thought processes. Like I like this setup here, breaking that and then moving up to 900. But I'm just not doing as much of that stuff as should. So it's good just sometimes to take a refresher. Today I'm going kind of more risk off. I'm going to try to take some good high quality setups that I see. Smaller size, more in Jeff, more in Salvatore. So yeah. It was good to get some perspective. I'm seeing this opening up over here. All right, here, this area. Pocket breaks that. Boom. Spikes up. Might happen right in the open. Morning, Airbank. Morning, SW Blaze. Good morning, guys. Morning. Hit those like buttons real quick. Hit that like button, guys. Click it. Yeah, I'm eyeing this 900 level here. I want to be careful though. If we pop, I don't want to get faked out up here. It does look like that's opened nicely up here. Market's gonna open in a minute. I need to take that off until. Trying to calculate how far I'm trying to get out, like about right before 75. Some resistance. Oh man, the spread, not the spread, the whatchamacallit. Oh yeah, the spread. Saying some basics. Coming right up to my level. Should have held it, huh? Well, at least I got something out of it. Tarot man, I looked at your indicators. Holy smokes. My brain almost blew up. It is I don't know if it's too I was trying to follow along and I was doing it like at night. My brain was already kind of cashed out anyway. And yeah, I think I need to spend more time with him. But it got me interested in doing like algo trading again, or I did some EAs for Forex when I first started trading, and when I stopped doing Forex, I stopped doing the algos. This looks like a fake. This looks like it's about to hit some resistance here. I'm not seeing Delta moving up anymore. But after I stopped trading Forex, I check my rhythmic stuff. When I stopped doing Forex, I stopped trading that, or stopped using them, stopped doing them. But it got me interested in doing it again. Particularly like with one of these evaluation accounts. Or at the top of this channel, taking profit. Man, the first trade, I mean, I got out pretty quick. I got out for only a couple $100, but definitely could have taken that up to VWAP. I did add to my BTI position, slowly getting in the market, slowly but cautiously. I mean, I really need Bitcoin to fucking tank. I need Bitcoin to just, ugh. The thing is crypto is now correlating with indices, which it used to have an inverse correlation. But if you look at it now, it's correlating. So it's like I need the markets to go down in order for Bitcoin to go down, in order for my short to play out. But I also need the markets to go up because I'm long some stuff, and it was this very conflicting thing, which I don't particularly like. We can see here, price moved straight up to that level. That is interesting, Taro. You ever write anything for Ninja Script? For Ninja Trader? The thing that I used to do is I didn't know how to code. I had like a what you see is what you get program for MetaTrader. So you could go in there and just kind of drop in your criteria and then it would spit out code. But I know a little bit about coding, but I think Ninja is C++, whatever that, I don't know. Yeah, C whatever that is, C hashtag. I'm completely saying that wrong. Someone is going to rip me to shreds on saying that, but I know like HTML, CSS. I know like basics. Probably, I was I can like edit WordPress and things. Sharp, thank you. Thank you, Cube Gift. Thank you. Thank you, sir, and welcome. I feel like I just made a massive blunder. Big support then. I'm seeing this, 20 SMA. I still think we're going to move up. It's interesting how this trend line here, you can see it on the 1 minute, acted as support over here, and then it flipped, acted as, is now acting as resistance. We're in this up channel on the 5 minute. That's the bullish move on the open. You can just draw a counter trend line. You could try to buy the break of it, but what I'm seeing is Delta dropping. Probably want to wait a little bit. My trading day, to be honest with you, might be done at 4:38. I don't know. I really don't want to go into the weekend with a red, even though I didn't do great this week. Ending Friday with a green day kind of allows you to come in next week, not reliving all your errors. Yeah, I was saying that I was listening to this trader interview, and now he does like algo trading as well. And what he said is he just basically found his best setups and then wrote scripts or had somebody write scripts for him. For me, it's difficult because I do a lot of like technical analysis stuff, and I'm not quite sure how to like describe this. Like this setup right here that we just, that long we just took, the break of resistance up to, the next level. I don't know how you would even like describe that to someone. Yeah, Brock, I agree. Sometimes it's just, trader intuition. Like you see it setting up on your screen, it's looking good, and you just had that feeling like you've been watching the market. You've been watching the market long enough for that day or that week or whatever, and you just know how it's been behaving. Like a delta dropping here, it's like it's gonna fall. It looks like a short, but I think that this is gonna trend back up. I mean, I don't feel like good NFP is enough to send markets down. Powell would need to come out and say, economy's still too hot. We're gonna ramp up interest rates. And if he said they were gonna ramp up interest rates, I think the market has priced in 2 half basis point hikes for next year. I think they've got that priced in. And with Powell coming out and saying, well, maybe we're going to actually slow that down. That sent the market up on his comments, and he would need to come out and say, hey, the economy's still too hot. We're going to now increase interest rates. Like it's going to move up. Bullish candle on the 1. Got opened up to 26, but Delta's dropping on it. May drop to 68, 82 to 68. Got a low volume node coming in here. I don't know. I don't see the setup checking off all my parameters. This LVN, but I do think if it dropped to 83, now Delta's starting to move up. Top of this channel. Patient for it. Jesus Christ, Kanye West tweeted a picture of a swastika. I'm looking at the news. What's wrong with him? He's just trying to get in trouble. He's like seeing how far you can take it now. Look at cumulative delta dropping. I think it's break support, drop down to 70. False breakout to the downside, move up, break that top at 7. Point of control coming in. I don't trade too kind. Tempted to buy that top break up to 32. False breakout to the downside. Delta's just not coming with me. Ah, get off my screen. Delta's starting to move. You can do technical analysis on Delta. You really wanted to see some buyers starting to step up here, but false breakout to the downside into an LVN. Now we're moving up to value area high. We've got this band open up all the way to 30, which is also the top of this trend line, which seems to be valid. What's up, Jim? Yeah, Kanye's like lost his mind. He's like, how far can I take this to be absolutely ridiculous? He's living his own world in his head. I think the swastika thing is probably last bit. Bearish candle in the 1 minute. I think everybody's kind of feeling the way I'm feeling, which is I don't want this thing could really do some damage to an account at the you have some of these trend lines. Now we're moving back down. Looked like we were going to bust to the top. Like if you took that short here, boom, you're stopped out. And then all of a sudden, look at it, boom, coming back down. Look at cumulative delta dropping. Looks bearish. We're going to break this trend line. Very bearish on the 1 minute. I don't know. It may just be coming back down here to the, getting a better price. Hit that like button, guys. I'd appreciate it. I hate to keep bugging you. I only got 16 likes on this thing. It just helps YouTube like put it in front of other people. Maybe some people find this entertaining. Trader Oracle Tarot, man, you're throwing some content up on YouTube, man. I need to. If you guys haven't checked out Trader Oracle, I don't know how. I hate to admit it, but I went to your channel last night and I realized I wasn't subscribed to you. I subscribed to you immediately. I don't know how I can share your channel here about. Wait. Yeah, check out Trader Oracle. He's throwing up some content up there. I love how you're experimenting with all these indicators and trying to find some systems. And sharing it. You can download the code to his indicators for free, which is fantastic. Arrow, where am I? I don't know how to like just share your channel. God, I am so technically deficient. Here. This is hey Sarah, if you want to share the link to your channel, man. Throw it up there. Vernon Day Trades has also got some great content. Anybody's interested in that? Vernon is on the, like all of us, on the prop firm journey. Look at this. This is setting up for long. Go to Vernon Day Trades. He's got some good content. I feel like one of my parents trying to figure out all this technology stuff sometimes. Appreciate all you guys being here. Holy Chop City, Batman. Still looking for the break of highs. I think this channel is invalid. Over here. You know, trend lines are only valid for so long. Once price starts completely ignoring them, you should take them off your screen. We're still in this up channel in the 5-minute. Yeah, I don't know where it's going either, man. It's going up, it's going down. Maybe we're going to drop down to 43. I don't know if this channel breaks. What do you think? Short? Delta's dropping lower. See, I need to take this trend line off because it's screwing with my thought, even though it's not valid anymore. Let's draw this trend line over here. I don't know how valid this is either because this was pre-market and NFP. Really, I ideally would like to find just the market session open. I like to find, looks like we're down. I mean, I know we're moving down, but I think it's got a target down here. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not touching this thing. You're not going to trick me, my friend. Oh, I think I can do this. God, I'm an idiot. Such an idiot. There. I think that'll take you to Tarot Oracles. Trader Oracles channel. Ah, my brain is just smoke. Yeah, shoot. Sorry, I didn't. Let's see if I do this one. Here, let's delete this one. Move. This one. That should be Trader Oracle. Bah. You know what I'm trying to get here. There, that one should take you to this page. All right, well, market's now dropping bottom of this channel here. I feel like I'd definitely be chasing it, but it looks very bearish. Down channel on the 1 minute. We're at the bottom of that channel. Is Carolina here today? Carolina? We were looking at, what were we looking at yesterday? She's got a what is it called? Something she was using to look at options traders, options order flow, which obviously correlates with the larger indices. Trady ticks. We've broken now out of this little down channel in the Cumulative Delta, which is something to note. You know, my eye, just my eye. You know, I don't know. I'm gonna put you that. Ah, my back there. Stretch. Got World Cup on today, guys. World Cup, last day of group games. Boy. Enjoy it while you can. Massive LVN. Look at this. Holy smokes. Massive LVN on the overnight profile. Whistled right into the microphone. I'm sure some of you are like, up there. Trying to buy it up down here. Buy it up, buy it up, buy it up. They're attempting to buy and firing a book map here. The live stream may buffer for a second, but moving lower. You almost just want to short. You're figuring there's going to be like a breakout to the downside. You know, that we've got this big support area here. And that price starts moving through that we would get a move down. Delta's now dropping. Here comes a break. Oh, it's just fake outs. Fake out, fake out, fake out. Delta's moving up. Spread on this is horrible today. Come on, little Buddha. Ah, failed. False breakout. Dang it. Well, you take them as they come. And now it's coming back up. Man, the spread is absolutely ridiculous on this today. Oh my God, I got a market for a massive loss. I mean, for an absolutely horrible fill, I should say. Well, that didn't work. No. You take a loss on that, which is really frustrating. I need to let some of these pass me by here. I already started trading. Well, back at break even. Sucks. Just getting chopped up in this shit. It's gonna move up. It's just, damn it, there it goes. The spread on this is ridiculous. Yep, there it goes, right up to VWAP. On volume. Ugh, so frustrating. Yeah, we thought I was gonna pop on that just up to VWAP real quick. Just failed, came down, get stopped down, get back in, get stopped down, get back in, get stopped down. Well, that was the trade. Just fucking didn't get it. I mean, just didn't get endure the drawdown, but you gotta take your stop on it. This thing rolled down to 45. Just the way. One thing you can't do is start revenge trading, which I kind of did, and try to get back in on it. Got to stop. I can't trade this. This is getting too micro. This is getting too granular for me. Very bearish candle on the 5-minute. Well, guys, if I can't make money, I'll beg for likes. You guys want to look at frustrating week. Nasdaq. Appreciate the like, guys. Spread's still horrible. It's going to pop 76, move up. It's got massive resistance up here. I don't think it's getting through this. Delta's trying to move up. There's a huge low volume node up here. Well, only thing I can do is trade it. I have to curb my emotions here. Now, there was a long here at 76 and take it. Now this is a short up here at VWAP. I'm not taking it because I'm feeling a little jittered. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna call it quits on this, guys. I'm probably gonna end the live stream. I'm gonna keep watching it, but yeah, I'm gonna take a break and I'll come back in a little bit, but that's about it. I think this is looking a little choppy in here. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your trading day. Enjoy your weekend. Thanks for being here. If you want to give this thing a like before I jump off, that would be awesome. If not, that's cool too. All this stuff's completely free. We might get that move up here. Do you think we're gonna get a breakout, break highs, and start trending up? I don't know. This low volume node is a little too scary for me, but Delta's moving up. Looks like we might get that move up to that LVN. This zone's a short zone for me. Take it, but I'm gonna jump off. I'm probably gonna keep trading, but I really need to focus on this. And live stream is really difficult to trade. All right, guys. I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. I hope 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Best of luck to you. Enjoy your weekend. Remember to get off those screens and get off those screens. Enjoy your time. Enjoy your families. Enjoy your friends. Enjoy the sunshine. And I'll see you guys back on Monday. Later, guys. Peace.